Good room is small but location is good. 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 Good for solo travelers. The rooms are a bit small, but well equipped and the staff were nice. I also decided to take my bicycle last minute without calling to confirm, but I got no complaints from staff. Good experience. The staffs are very welcoming, the room is cute and clean. I appreciate the interior. The location is very nice. It is near shopping malls, train station and parks. Also, the neighborhood is very homey. There are plenty of local restaurants within the vicinity and I like the foods there. As always, an amazing place to stay. It's my home in Taiwan. I had stayed here last year when I first visited Taipei, and when I decided to visit again this year with my friends, there's no doubt or hesitations that I looked for just Inn, Xin Yi, hotel as soon as I opened the Agoda app. A very friendly and helpful staff, an amazing place to stay and convenient to everywhere. Definitely will be staying here again on my next visit. Thank you so much to all the lovely staff, profound heart, very good and nice staff. Exceptional. I stayed with my mom. The room was small but it's alright. We had everything we need. The location was so good. Walking distance from Taipei City Hall Station, Taipei 101 and malls. The staff was accommodating too. Good location, friendly staff. Enjoyed a one-night stay at this place. The room might be small but it was enough for one person. Clean and quiet. Front desk lady was super friendly and charming. She helped me with luggage storage. Location is close to Xin Yi shopping area and Taipei 101. It's about 5 minutes walk from nearest metro station, so it was a convenient location. Great hotel, I love this hotel. Location was perfect, good staffs, great cleaning service and so on. I recommend this place. Just in Xin Yi. Rooms were clean and beds were comfy. Staff were also accommodating and hotel has very accessible location. All in all, good value for money. Heart, stayed here for the night. It's just a 5 minutes walk to Far Glory building. Worth the money and it's so cheap given the location. Heart.